This is the room that I made for my cats. Has a bridge here. Got their food, toys, an air purifier, a litter box that cleans itself, some wall furniture all over the place. This is their fancy cat tree. More wall furniture. I wish they would use this, but they don't. They have so many beds, so many scratchers. This is their little catio. Leo's sleeping in there. It has an upstairs. We built that for them from scratch. The girlies are hanging out on this tree. Have all their toys here. Their water bowls. Here is more supplies. Another cat bed. And I even put a mirror here so they could look at themselves. And that turns into a couch slash bed. And this is just where I keep all their stuff in one place. But they can leave whenever they want. They just like chilling in here. Right, guys? So that's our cat room. We're very proud. Living the life. What are you doing to her?